Hey guys, what's up? It's me Fizz here, and today I'm back with you with another tutorial. Right now I'm showcasing my combat system. If you guys want this combat system, we're gonna have to hit 50 subscribers and 50 likes. So once we hit that goal, I'll make sure that you guys get this combat system for free. Alright, without further ado, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video so that you can get this combat system. After snapping my ass, I managed to make this combat system which has a blocking system and a punching system. So pretty much there's a 5-hit combo, and if you hit another player with the 5th hit, then their block will break, as you saw a few minutes ago. They also get stunned after, and a stun GUI appears above their head saying that they're stunned. This is the blocking system, where you press F and then your character does an animation that shows that they're blocking. When a character is blocking, they can't be hit by basic M1s, but if you get hit by a 5th M1, then your block will break and you will get stunned, as you saw earlier. Anyway, I also added this another feature to the game, where if you hold an item, then the combat system gets disabled and you can't block or anything. No matter how much I click, it won't work. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you like this combat system, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and you will get this. All we have to do is hit our goal of 50 subscribers and 50 likes.
Bruh.
Fizz out. See you guys.